2012 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter V8. Look at them wheels on it. It's a beast. It's a really nice truck. Good friend of mine. I've done a bunch of cars. He brought us his Raptor. Factory converters there and there. Then, as you guys can see, it's true dual all the way back. And he brought it in and we put him a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there. And then we axle dumped it right there, as you guys can see. And like, oh, and that's what it was. It had on it some glass packs. We took them off and replaced them with a FLOWMASTER Super 10. There'll be a link in the description for it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Ford Raptor SVT 6.2 liter. Go ahead. Better? It's dope. Yeah, much better. Yeah, those were making that. Again. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Right at 108. Again. That's better. Again. Got a really nice pop to it now. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Raptor 6.2 liter FLOWMASTER Super 10 true dual out axle dump. There she is. Don't go with glass packs on these guys. Always. Enjoy, guys.